Hey gang, welcome back to another episode of Talking eBay. So I was on a social media platform talking online called Clubhouse, and people were asking about searching and using eBay, and they're new to eBay, and a lot of people are really new to eBay and learning how to search and how to find what things are worth. So here's an example here. She told me that she had some Pokemon plush bears from Build-A-Bear. Now, I didn't even know that Build-A-Bear even made plush, honestly, for Pokemon, but that was news to me. So I went online real quickly, did some quick research for her, and I was actually blown away. But, you have to know what you're doing and how to search and see what things are really worth. And that's what this tutorial is all about. So stick with me and you'll learn something about I'm going to show you how to use Therapeak. So Therapeak is a free tool that's included with eBay. And it's a very, very powerful tool, and it gives you some insight what things are really selling for, not what they're asking. Because people always ask, I don't know if you've ever been in a yard sale and different things, and people are asking, sold on eBay or on eBay for this amount. And that's not really true. It's really what it sells for. And then you have to have an average, and then you got to be kind of in the middle. So, because sometimes there's rarity that people overpay for something, underpay, and then really, what is it really selling for? And that's what you want to know. And that's why you use these tools. So you can use eBay. eBay gives you a small snapshot of 3 months. Okay, so that's what eBay gives you directly. So let's just give you an example. I just wanted to show you about this. I'm generally searching. So I put Build-A-Bear Pokemon plush. This is a general search. Okay, there's 2,200 results for that specific search query. And you can see here, they're all over the place. And you can search best match, highest, lowest. So let's just search highest. Okay, so you have one here. So this one here is, whatever this name is, this purple one here, selling for $450 or best offer. There's one for $439. This is what they're asking for. Let's take a look at this bear here, or this plush. And let's just copy paste that specific one there, and let's pop it into eBay and look up this specific one only. So let's just get an example. And this could be for anything. So you can see that the exact same one is running from $59 brand new. Someone's asking $326. I'm not sure why. Here's one for $100. Here's one for $100. And everything below this field here is not the exact same result, even though they could look the same. They might be a little bit off, but you have to kind of look and kind of use your imagination and kind of figure out really what they're talking about. This doesn't include this little dress. This one doesn't have it. This one has it. I don't know. Outfit, pajamas. It's all over the place. Everyone's asking all kinds of crazy things, but really, it's not what they're asking. It's what it's selling for that matters. 3 months, yeah. So this is a 90 days. So the average price here. So here's one sold for $95. There's a best offer. Here's one sold on auction for $230. So let's take out auctions. So I'm not a huge believer of auctions in general. So let's just go buy it now. To buy it now means no auction. What is people actually paying for these items straight up? And that's what it is. So here's one again, sold for $95, offer, $42. Here's one for $64. Here's one for $75 with an offer, $100. Newer tags always sell a little bit better. So I'm seeing if I'm looking at this figure, between 40 and 100, right? So the medium in the middle of that, I would say, is a good price to sell those around $50 or $60. That's what I would use as an example. But if you want to do a deep dive and see really, just get an idea really what's going on. Let's look at Therapeak. Let's go back 2 years. And this is all included. And to get to Therapeak, all you do is go to research, click on research, and then it opens up Therapeak. And everybody has this, so that's so you know. So we're going to paste the exact same search query. Going to look back 2 years, and this is for eBay.com. And you can look at different countries here, but we're just dealing with the US. Let's do search. So now we're going to say the average price for this here, you can see it's 60. This is a 2 year look. Don't forget, in the beginning, it could have been a little bit higher. Could have been trending back and forth. So this sold for $67 an average. Average selling range between $36 and $114. Average shipping was $12. 73% of those people offered free shipping. You can do a free shipping or not free shipping. It will not affect, as far as I'm concerned. 27 of these items have sold in 2 years. Okay, and there's 10 sellers. Okay, that's what this data is telling you. So let's take a look at that. So here's the price here. So if you want to know what the highest one sold for, click on average selling price, click on that one time. It'll give you the highest price to the lowest price. So you can see here, there's 114, and you can look brand new. So brand new gives you more money, of course, but used could give you a little bit less. Here's an auction, fixed price. So you can adjust all this, take out the auction, take out the fixed price. You can do that with the filters. So let's just do fixed price only, hit apply. I like to do, I told you I don't like the auctions. So now back down to $67, average price, 38 to 114. You can see that. Okay, then let's just put new in. Let's get more specific. I only have a new one. And now here we have 38. So basically the same, has not changed too much. You can see the price is around 114 to 38 and a little bit, you can go a little bit more. Yep. So that's really what you're looking at. So this is your price range. So right in the middle, like I said, around $50 I think is the right selling price, honestly. 50, 60 bucks. 114 could have been a grab. Look at the year when that is sold, February 25th, okay? November 6th last year. So you can look at the dates and say, okay, what was happening at that specific time. But that's kind of how you use the tool. You give yourself an idea of the high, the low, if you want to do auction or no auction, and also get the medium. Always doing the middle, so when you're looking to buy something, let's say, for instance, and you can sell this for, let's say, $60. You wouldn't pay any more than $20. You have to make some profit. There's fees, there's shipping, there's all kinds of expenses involved. You're running a business. And that's my just rule of thumb. You have to at least do 3 times your money. So if you got a great deal at a yard sale for $10, you make more money in your profit. Always sell it for the middle. I would sell this for around $59.99. If you want to take an offer, you can bump it up 10 more bucks and take an offer. You can do that too. It's totally up to you how you want to handle it. And that's how you do that specific exercise. So if you have any questions or comments, I don't want to make these too long. I want to make them kind of short and just show you a little bit about this Therapeak. And they've added 2 years now. It used to be 1 year. Now it's 2 years. Only certain people have it. Now everybody has it. And it's a great tool. So it's super important when you're finding things that are unique and different. And you get a 2-year look, not a 3-month look. A 3-month look could be just skewed as that maybe this was trending now and it's not trending, or it's hot now and it wasn't hot before. So you get an idea of what's happening in the marketplace. And that's what this tool's about. And you can see a graph here. You can see here it's consistently selling for $90 right across here. Then it had a bump and then it starts dropping down here. So now it's kind of falling out of favor, let's call it. So you need to know that. So if someone's asking $100 at a yard sale, you're going to say, yeah, crazy. It's only worth like 50, 60 bucks. So, people look at the wrong numbers, and that's what this tutorial is all about. You guys have any questions or any comments, leave down below. Let me know. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. This is Talking eBay. And what I like to do is put small tutorials together and teach you a little bit about using eBay and how to sell and how to make some money. And that's what it's all about. So going out there on yard sales and estate sales, and definitely can make some money and use this tool, and you definitely will flourish and learn how to use eBay. Again, appreciate your time as always. Watch all the other videos on this channel, and don't forget to tell a friend and share it. Thanks so much for watching.